I'm Becky, I'm the branch manager for the Newport depot of F.H.Brundle. The move from Cardiff to Newport makes us, I think, more accessible for customers. Location was really important for us. Obviously, we run a daily delivery service out to the South Wales area and up to Hereford every day. So it was really important for us to be close to the M4 and the A48 and the link roads around South Wales. We're just off the A467 now in Rogerstone, so it's absolutely perfect for that.
I think the customers really love the new Newport site compared to our old Cardiff site. We are fully loaded with stock at the minute. We've got a showroom which offers everything that they want to see, and there isn't anything like this within close proximity to what we can offer with our materials.
We moved from Cardiff, from two small little warehouses to what we have here now, which is a world of difference really, with a lot more scope. More stock, so we haven't got to send off for everything that's been ordered, which was the case in Cardiff, so it should be quite a percentage of it on the shelves, yeah.
We've now got a fully functioning trade counter, so you can come and see the showroom. We've got multimedias in there, you can see most of the products on display. We've got cutting facilities as well on site, so if you want to order a beam and you want it the same day, we can do that for you.
The steel cutting service is that we've got two saws, an automatic saw and a manual saw, both by a well-known company called Behringer. The automatic saw will cut numerous cuts at whatever length that is programmed into. Manual saws, we can cut anything from beams, tubes, all manner of items. Very easy, very quick service.
We house a huge range of products, everything from steel lengths to balustrading, GRP flooring, fencing, decking, wrought iron products. So there's a huge range available, and you can come and see nearly all of it in store here, where our friendly salespeople will help you.